And they're off. Very winning. We got some good news. Like January 27th, 2023. When was that Cars movie? 2019. Infinity. 270. What's the word?
All right, now. Get those plates in there.
All right. Did he pass or lose?
Don't know till 6.
Huh?
Don't know till 6.
Okay.